Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Ace Wallet. Ace Wallet is a trading platform that allows users to send and receive digital currencies. To find your Bitcoin wallet address on Ace Wallet, you need to first open your Ace Wallet application on your mobile phone. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. To get access to your account, you need to either enter your PIN or access it through your fingerprint. After this, you'll be taken to your home page. Now here you can see Assets option on the down. Tap on Assets option on the down. After this, here you can see different types of digital currencies that you can trade. You can tap on any digital currency whose wallet address you want to find. I am going on with BTC, that is Bitcoin. Now here you'll be able to see Receive option. Tap on Receive option. After this, you'll be able to find your wallet address. On the downside, you'll be able to find your wallet address. You can tap on Copy option and you can also see your QR code of your address. You can also scroll to the left and there you can see your wrapped SegWit address. You'll be able to find both URL and your QR code of both kind of address. You can easily share this address by tapping on Share option, so that you can receive the cryptocurrency that you have chosen. This is how we can find our Bitcoin wallet address on Ace Wallet. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.